Good morning, learners. We are going to learn a new reader, Oxford Reading Tree, Stage 2, a new dog, dog. And the characters are Chip, Biff, Kipper, and here are the dogs. Let's start. Kipper wanted a dog. Kipper wanted a dog. Kipper is reading a book, My Book of Dogs, and he wanted a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. Everyone wanted a dog. They all are sitting on the table and having their snack time and thinking about the dog. They went to the dog's home. They went to the dog's home. This is a dog home and they went to the dog's home. This is Mom, Dad, Kipper, Chip and Biff, and this is the owner of place. They looked at the dogs. They all looked at the dogs. They are choosing a dog. Kipper wanted this dog. Kipper wanted this dog. It was too big. The dad is thinking it was too big. Biff wanted this dog. Biff wanted this dog. It was too little. Mom is thinking it's too little. It may stuck in your feet and you may fall down. Mom wanted this dog. Mom wanted this dog. It was too strong. It was too strong. And the kids are thinking that it may ran away. Everyone liked this dog. Now finally they decided a dog, and it's a dog. Its name is Floppy. And they all are happy. They took the dog home. They took the dog home. And they all are excited to have this dog, and its name is Floppy. Bye-bye.